USAA Auto Insurance Review. In this video, I will show all the details you need to know about USAA Auto Insurance. First off, USAA is excellent, but only if you qualify. That's the catch. USAA Auto Insurance is exclusively available to military members, veterans, and their immediate families. If you're not in that circle, this won't apply to you. But if you are eligible, you've got access to one of the top-rated insurers in the country. So, is it good? Without question, yes. In terms of price, coverage options, digital tools, and customer satisfaction, USAA stands tall among the competition. We're talking an average annual full coverage rate of around $1,458. That's nearly $800 less than the national average. That's no small deal when you're looking at year-over-year savings, especially if you're insuring multiple vehicles or drivers. And they're not cutting corners to get those prices down either. Now, let's talk features. USAA offers all the standard coverages you'd expect: liability, comprehensive, collision, but also throws in some well-thought-out extras. One of the best is accident forgiveness. After 5 years of safe driving, you may qualify to have your first at-fault accident not raise your premium. That's real peace of mind, especially if you're usually cautious but worried about the what-ifs. They also offer rideshare insurance, which is a big win if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or do deliveries. There's a coverage gap that many drivers don't realize exists between personal and commercial insurance, and USAA covers that in-between zone. There's also car replacement assistance, where they give you the car's value plus 20% extra if your car's totaled, something most companies don't offer unless you pay a lot more. Their Safe Pilot program is another standout. It's a usage-based insurance option that tracks your driving habits, things like braking, phone usage, mileage, via an app. You get a 10% discount just for signing up, and you can earn up to 30% off for being a solid driver. That's a significant way to save, especially if you're already a careful driver. Now, on to some honesty about the downsides. The biggest one is eligibility. You can't get in unless you're military affiliated. That automatically shuts out a huge portion of the population. Also, while their pricing is stellar, it's not guaranteed to be the cheapest for every scenario. If you've got a rough driving record, bad credit, or live in a high-risk area, your premium could still be a bit high, though USAA still tends to beat out competitors even in those cases. One thing to note, USAA isn't included in some of the major ranking studies, like J.D. Power, because it's not available to the general public. But the data we do have shows USAA customers are very happy. Fewer complaints than expected, strong reviews for claim satisfaction, and a generally smooth customer experience, both online and via mobile. In my experience, USAA's mobile app is one of the best in the business. You can do everything from managing your policy to filing a claim, pulling up your insurance ID card, and even requesting roadside assistance. That kind of convenience matters when you're stranded or in a high-stress situation. Should you use it? If you're eligible and value long-term savings, solid customer service, and a no-fuss digital experience, I'd say yes, without hesitation. It's especially ideal for military families who are often on the move and need a reliable, flexible insurance provider that understands their lifestyle. Even better if you're bundling other types of insurance or banking products with them. They're designed to be a one-stop shop for military members. But if you're not part of that military demographic, it's not even on the table. And that's not a knock on USAA, it's just how they operate. So in summary, if you can get it, USAA is absolutely one of the best choices you can make for auto insurance. Just make sure it fits your specific driving profile and needs, and you'll likely find yourself saving money, getting top-tier support, and enjoying some truly thoughtful perks that make it worth sticking around for.